Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you top 5 best free screenshot tools for Windows. So if you're a Windows user and you've been looking forward for some of the best free screenshot tools for Windows, I'm going to share some of them with you, and they're basically free and you can get them installed on your Microsoft Store on your Windows laptop. So if you want to do that, so let's get started. The first top 5 is SnapTools. SnapTools is also an inbuilt Windows tools and it is perfect for quick and easy screenshots. You can also use this as well. ShareX, it is a powerful open source tool with advanced features for capturing and editing screenshots. You can also use Greenshot, which is a lightweight tool and it's over a varieties of screenshot option and easy annotation. You can also use Lightshot, which is awesome, simple and friendly interface. You can also use ScreenRec, which is awesome. It is also a free tool that only captured screenshots but also record your screen. It is awesome. You can try the list of these top 5 free screenshot tools for Windows, and all this can be installed on your Microsoft Store. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.